How to create external issue in Businet. Users can create external issue by selecting the requirement area and the requisition number. The items will be auto-populated, and then the users can fill the mandatory fields such as issued quantity, price, batch details, etc. Also, users can select the returnable options if the material needs to be returned. Once document is approved, users can generate PDF print of the respective document. Thank you. For more details or queries, please contact Businet team.